welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of February, so we are doing kind of a Valentine's Day look. A little bit, not really, but kind of. I'm first priming my lids with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden, as always, and then I'm using these two palettes for our look today, the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia and Huda Beauty's Rose Gold. I'm first dipping into Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance, and I'm using this as my transition shade. I was not afraid to go in with the color today, y'all, so just go for it, honestly. I just keep blending it out and doing it in sort of a cat eye shape, extending it out to my temples, and then I take a smaller brush and really go into the crease with that color so it's a little bit more pigmented and concentrated. I also bring it down onto my lid a wee bit. No big deal, doesn't really matter because we're going to be putting black glitter on top of that anyways. And then I'm just blending out the edges some more. I'm going to mix together Maneater, Bossy, and Black Truffle all together from the Rose Gold palette. And I'm putting that right into the crease and the outer corner and blending that up. Then for our glitter today, I'm using this Stila Magnificent something. I forget what they're called. But this one is in Molten Midnight. So it's a black glitter with silver and gold reflex in it. I do believe silver and gold. I think so. And I'm just taking a little brush and blending that up. So we don't want a super harsh edge there. We want the glitter to blend up into our eyeshadow. So you want to take it over the crease a wee bit. I also add a little bit more so I can start turning it into a cat eye shape. And just lightly take your brush and blend it up ever so gently. Moving on to the face real quick, I'm using my Farsali Unicorn Essence to prime a little bit just for some hydration, and then I always go back in with my Benefit Porefessional to smooth out my pores. For foundation today, I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I'm in the shade Snow, which is the lightest shade. And y'all like, this is way too yellow. This girl's crazy. It really doesn't turn out too yellow, especially after I do, like, you know, my concealer, my powder and all that. It really doesn't look too yellow, and I actually really love the way it looks, so don't hate on this chick, okay? I love this foundation, and they don't have a pink shade, so I just deal with it, you know? Then I'm going to apply my concealer, which is my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Vanilla, underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and all the usual places. I'm going to blend it out, and then I'm going to use my Nye Neutral Set Powder to set everything on my face. Taking my Basket Case liner from Kat Von D, I'm going to put this into my waterline. I'm going to create it pretty thick from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. And also tightline my upper lash line for my falsies to look more natural. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that Black Truffle from the Huda palette. I'm going to smoke out that bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with my Heavy Metal Glitter from Urban Decay. This one is in Pulp Fiction. I'm going to apply that into my inner corner. You can honestly just take the Stila glitter and apply that there as well. Same thing, basically. And then I'm taking some red shadow and just blending underneath of that black. We're going to be doing a pretty thick cat eye. I'm using my Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I'm going to just go to town, honestly. Make sure you contour and apply your blush and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my mascara. I'm using Benefit Roller Lash. And we're going to be applying some lashes. These are from the Glam Box NYC and their style called Tribeca. They're very wispy, but they're really long. They're so pretty. Then I'm going to apply my highlight, which I don't typically do. I know you guys are all like, what? But this is the Jelly Beam from Farsali, and I actually really love this. It's more of a dry formula, so it doesn't move your foundation. And it looks real pretty. I mean, look at that. I really, really love this stuff, which I'm pleasantly surprised by it. Then I'm also applying the Artist Couture highlight in Illuminati right on top just to make it even more blinding, because why not just go there, you know? Why not? Especially if you're going to like a dim lit restaurant for Valentine's Day or something, then you'll just glow and shine from across the table. For lips, I'm using two LA Splash Cosmetics products. The first is this lip liner. It's in the shade Corinthian. It's their Architect Lip Sculptor lip liners. And it's just a really gray toned lip liner. I'm going to fill in my lips a little bit on the edges. And I'm going in with the Wickedly Divine liquid lipstick from them as well in the shade Fallen. Just a super gray toned brown, and I thought it really complemented this look. You could do like dark red lips or bright red lips. That would look super cute too. And then I'm going in with my D-Slick from Urban Decay, spraying that all over my face, and that's the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned because I have a lot of Valentine's Day looks coming at y'all within the next 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.